Wow, guys, look at this beautiful dog crate by Hug Cause. I got this complimentary, and my husband and I were super excited to get it unboxed and put together. It took us about, an hour and a half to get everything put together, which I don't feel like is terrible. We are extremely pleased with the quality of the wood. I like that it's non-toxic material, reinforced metal frame. Another great feature is that it has swivel doors on either end, so you can choose to either give your dogs food and water or turn it back around to close it off from them. It also comes with two covers, one on either side, so that you can give your dog privacy, or if they are nervous Nellies, whenever you have company come into town, then that kind of helps keep them calm. In my opinion, it definitely helps for my dog who is scared of lightning and thunder. So having that little shelter definitely gives him some more peace of mind. Another thing that's great is that it also is like a tabletop, so I can put my TV on it and go ahead and put some like little decor on there. As you can see here, the doors, they flip open and close, which is a great asset for room wise, and so that you're not having to worry about taking up too much room as the door opens. And as you can see here, my dogs were getting used to it at first, but they both really liked it and fit in there great. This is the cover I was telling you about. It is just Velcroed on and very easy to roll up and get in and out of the way. And just for reference, this is a 78-inch double dog crate with a divider inside. You are able to remove the divider and make it just one big dog crate if that's what you choose to do. But I am telling you, I love this. It is beautifully made and the quality is excellent.